students, how are you? I hope that all of you will be fine. On the last topic I have discussed the relation and function. Regarding to the previous topic, I am starting from that one, that is the function. What is the function? I have discussed in my last video. The function, a relation from set A to set B, a relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function if number one, a relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function if number one, every element of set A is associated to the element of set B, and the number two, every element of set A is associated with the unique element of set B. First one is every element of set A is associated to the element of set B, and the second one is every element of set A is associated with unique element of set B. These two things are very important for a relation to become a function. कोई भी relation function तभी होगा जब ये दोनों condition हमारी fulfill हो रही हो. If f is a relation from set A to set B, mathematically we write f such that set A to set B. If f is a function from set A to set B, we write f such that A to B. अगर f फंक्शन है सेट A से सेट B में तो हम उसको इस तरह से लिखते हैं. Now we are discussing domain of a function. What is the domain? If f such that A to B is a function, then set A is known as domain of A. Domain of F. Set A is known as the domain of F. In other words, we can also say that, what is the domain? In other words, we can say that the real values, all the real values for which the function is meaningful, all the real values of x for which the function is meaningful is called the domain of the function. In other words, we can say that all the real values of x for which the function is meaningful is called the domain of the function. सेट A तो यहाँ के अकॉर्डिंगली आपकी डोमेन हो गई, और डोमेन को हम इस तरह से भी कह सकते हैं कि x की वो रियल वैल्यूज जिसके लिए फंक्शन मीनिंगफुल हो, वो फंक्शन हमारा वो वैल्यूज हमारी क्या होंगी, डोमेन होंगी. Now we come on the range. Now what is the range of the function? Range of the function, the set of all f images is called range of the function f. We can say that f of A is equal to set of all fx such that x belongs to the set A. Set of all f images, that is set of all fx is called the range of the function. Codomain what is the codomain of the function? If f says that a to b is a function, if f says that a to b is a function, then set B is known as codomain of F. Codomain of F. And one thing should be kept in mind, range will be always the subset of codomain. Range will be always the subset of codomain. I have taken a problem. The problem is find the domain and range of these two functions. ये दो functions मैंने लिखे हैं, इनकी domain और range बतानी. The first one is fx equal root x minus 1 and the second is fx equal x square plus 2. Solution of the first fx equal under root x minus 1. Here the function is square root function, fx equal root x minus 1. Here we can say that fx will be meaningful. Fx will be meaningful if x minus 1 will be greater than or equal to 0. X minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, then x greater than or equal to 1. X greater than or equal to 1. I have told you that the values of x, the real values of x for which the function is meaningful. Here the values of x are greater than or equal to 1, and these values of x, the function will always meaningful. For these values of x, this function fx will be meaningful. x की इन सभी वैल्यूज के लिए फंक्शन मीनिंगफुल होगा, तो हम कह सकते हैं डोमेन जो होगी हमारी 1 या 1 से ग्रेटर होगी, और ये रियल नंबर के लिए है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, क्लोज्ड इंटरवल 1 to infinite. 1 या 1 से ज्यादा तो क्या लिखेंगे, क्लोज्ड इंटरवल 1 to infinite. These are the values of x. This is the domain of the function. Now the range, since x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, so under root x minus 1 will be always greater than or equal to 0, and this is the range fx greater than or equal to 0. Therefore range will be 0 to infinite, closed interval 0 to infinite. अगर ये वैल्यूज आप रखें एक एक करके तो आपको रेंज मिल जाएगी, लेकिन इतनी सारे नंबर्स हैं कि आप हर एक नंबर्स को रख के रेंज नहीं निकाल सकते, लेकिन ये पता कर सकते हैं कि 1 पे 0 आएगा और 1 से आगे रखेंगे तो कोई भी वैल्यू जो आएगी वो 0 या 0 से ग्रेटर ही आएगी. इसलिए रेंज इसकी क्या होगी, क्लोज्ड इंटरवल 0 टू ओपन इनफाइनाइट. The second problem is fx equal x square plus 2. Now I am taking second, fx equal x square plus 2. As you know that the real values of x for which the fx is meaningful is called the domain. Here if we see that for all x belongs to R, the function fx will be meaningful. सभी रियल नंबर्स के लिए फंक्शन हमारा मीनिंगफुल है. x की कोई भी वैल्यू रखें, fx हमेशा मीनिंगफुल होगा, तो हम कह सकते हैं डोमेन जो होगी इस फंक्शन की वो क्या होगी, रियल नंबर होगी, ऑल रियल नंबर. नाउ वी कम ऑन द रेंज. इफ वी टेक एनी रियल नंबर फॉर ऑल x बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर, x square will be always greater than or equal to 0. If we take any real number x, then square of x will be always greater than equal to 0. किसी भी रियल नंबर का स्क्वायर जो होता है वो ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू 0 होता है. इफ वी एड ऑन 2 बोथ साइड, एड 2 on both side, then we get x square plus 2 greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to real number. So this side will be 2. x square plus 2 greater than or equal to 2. Because you are adding 2 on both sides, x square plus 2 greater than or equal to 2. Fx will be greater than or equal to 2. Range will be 2 to infinite, close 2 to infinite. Domain will be real number and range will be closed interval 2 to infinite. Now I am giving some questions on this topic and you have to give the answer of this question in the comment box.